It's called Sunshine. You said that I could always come to you for shelter, but what if you're the one I'm running from? I told you before I won't play these games if you turn around and keep changing the rules. It feels like we're going round in circles, but I'm upside down. And though it's hurting me like hell, I guess I still don't wanna lose you now. I'd give you the world, I'd give up my dreams, I'd do anything, but would you do the same for me? I'd give you the world, I'd give up my dreams, I'd do anything, but would you do the same? And I didn't listen, and you want me now to. Now we're running in circles, and I can't put it together. And now we got these loose ends, and we're running out of second chances. And I'm stuck here at a standstill, waiting for someone to make a move. I'd give you the world, I'd give up my dreams, I'd do anything, but would you do the same for me? I'd give you the world, I'd give up my dreams, I'd do anything, but would you do the same? I'd go out in a snowstorm just to keep you warm. But it seems all that you've done is to cause me harm. You wouldn't do the same for me. Now we're falling down through the cracks. I could see them coming, but I didn't look back. I was only fooling myself to ever believe we could keep up this pretense. But you knew all along you were stringing me on by a thread. And now what's been done has been done, and there's nothing left to be said. I'd still give you the world, I'd give up my dreams, I'd do anything, but would you do the same for me? I'd give you the world, I'd give up my dreams, I'd do anything, but would you do the same? I'd go out in a snowstorm just to keep you warm. But it seems all that you